People wagwan, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm sharing with you egg white tonic recipe. According to Jamaican grandmothers, it is good for the nerves. It steadies the nerves, especially after working the night shift. You should drink it in the morning before going to sleep. So in the container is one egg white, the eyes remove, and then to the egg white I'm adding 1 tablespoon orange juice. It can be freshly squeezed or you purchase it at the store. Just make sure that it contains no sugar. And then you give it a good whip. So you can drink the egg white tonic unsweetened. However, I am adding just a small amount of sweetened condensed milk to mine, and then use a fork to give it a good whip. And a pinch of nutmeg. Now remember that you should drink this egg white tonic early in the morning before having your coffee or your tea. Right, it is good for the nerves. According to the Jamaican grandmothers, as I mentioned before, it steadies the nerves. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, click the post notification bell, and when you click the post notification bell, make sure to click all if you want to receive all upload to this channel. Thanks for watching.